Hi everybody, we're gonna show you how to fix one of the most challenging errors in WordPress. That error, it shows especially when you go to dashboard, and you can find this. And also, if I go back, sometimes I get a chance to go to plugins and all that, which is let me see, click menu. I can go to menu, and if I bypass and go to menu, I also can bypass and go to plugins. In most cases, when you go there and try to do what, to put a new plugin, you get a prompt and you get that error popping up. So I'm gonna scroll down and click on installed plugins. When you click there, sometimes you don't see anything, and sometimes you get something. Let me see, add new plugin. When I click to add new plugin, I come here. So when I come here and I say not upload, I search for any plugin. Okay, let me see, I'm gonna press this. No, this was installed already. Let me try to do this. Okay, this can be installed, it's fine. I'm gonna look for what they call there's this plugin I'm looking for, which is called under construction. And when I go there and I press enter, I search. Let me get it, if I can get it. And sometimes when I do it, I don't get it, whatever. I don't get it, sometimes I get it. So I'm trying to search. Let me search and we see. Let me close this. And okay, under construction, under no, we install that plugin. After installation, we get it, we activate it. Okay, I've activated that. Then when how do we fix that? You're gonna go to plugins. Okay, I managed to go to plugins, which is good, after installing under construction. So I'm gonna deactivate this plugin, and I can also select each and every plugin, because remember, under construction is the plugin we just put in right now. So I'm gonna deactivate each and every plugin and say okay. Okay, so once you're done with that, remember we tried to go to dashboard, we never managed to go there. When you click to go to dashboard, now we can go there. You can see that that was a plugin issue, so you should find which plugin is giving you trouble. You can see anything I click on, it works as a charm. And even if I click on installed plugins, I get them. Even if I click on new plugins, I get them. So once you get that error, and what I did, it did not help you, the best thing is this: go to themes, appearance, go to themes. Okay, after getting to themes, you look for WordPress, this theme, one of the 2020, 2016, whatever theme you find, which is one of the defaults, 2020, 2016, 2017, you activate that. Once you activate that theme, you can also as well do what, update that theme. Then you can go and start, once you start activating also back plugins one by one, and see which one was giving you some trouble. Let me go here. For me, this has worked for me 100%. I don't have any issues after deactivating all the plugins. It wasn't the theme, but he said also it could be your themes, and sometimes you might even have no chance to do what, you might not even have a chance to go to your, what they call to go to your plugins to deactivate them. So what do you do if you can't go there and you can only see that that nonsense? So what you do, you go to your website, m1w, okay, you go there and go to Cpanel. You can go to Cpanel here and you try to log in here. I'm gonna get one of the usernames here and passwords. What we're going to get here, I'm gonna look for the username and password and log in, and I show you what to do. Okay, I'm gonna get it for you guys. Okay, I don't remember the Cpanel well, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get it for you and see if that will work. If it works, then we in. Gonna say okay, then I wanted to save my error before I do anything here. Okay, I'm gonna save my error, this error, the one we're working on. Say okay. After saying okay, we're gonna save it here because I want to use it after. Then I'm gonna try to put in my password here, which is gonna be okay, no, okay, I'm putting one by one. Okay, okay, then okay, no, it's gonna be like this. Okay, then we say okay, I'm gonna say no, I'm gonna say okay. Let's try to log in and see. It did not work for us. Let me see what went wrong. Let me get let me see. Yeah, I think the username is good. Okay, the password could be the issue here. I'm gonna try to get the password to work again. Okay, 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 there's something I want to get here. Oh, that's where I went wrong. I went wrong there. Okay, and then we say okay, then we say okay. So let me see, plus, okay, also I went wrong there. Okay, let me see this. Yeah, this worked 100%. Yes. So in case of what, if you don't have access to your plugins to unplug them, or to uninstall them, or to disable them, you log into Cpanel, then you go to www, then you go to content, then you can go to themes. In all of these themes, what you do, the themes you think which are giving you trouble, what you do, you do what they call, you rename. You say rename, you rename all these themes. Like you do rename, then you go here and say put underscore. After when you put in underscore, then each and every one put them underscore underscore, then you leave one which says 2019 or 2020 or whatever, all those two. So when you leave those one of them, so if you do that, it's gonna automatically go and assign a new theme to your website, which is the default theme which you're gonna leave in here. So then also on the part of the plugins, what you do, you go to plugins, then you start doing the same thing. Each and every plugin you do this. You say rename. When you go to rename, you go like underscore. Okay, when you underscore, you rename that. You can see it's renamed every plugin. In the for the issue of plugins, you have to rename each and every plugin. You get me? So by the themes, you have to leave one. You get me? So that's the thing, guys. That's the way you can do that and fix your problems. You get me? So but if you can access your plugins there, you can just deactivate them. But if you can't, use this trick I've showed you to rename them. You can put a letter. Then after, when everything's fine, you activate one by one and test, one by one and test, one by one and test. So after testing and see there's no problem on each and every whatever plugins which gives you problem, then you delete it. Maybe you can reinstall it after. Also at whatever theme which gives you a problem, you can also fix it after. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.